How to set up app-specific Do Not Disturb for gaming and streams. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up app-specific Do Not Disturb mode. First thing first, you need to go over to Settings. From Settings menu, find Notifications. And right here, you'll find Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on it. Now, what you can do is when your Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, you can allow the apps to bypass Do Not Disturb and send notification. Go ahead and tap on App Notifications. Tap on Add Apps. So when your Do Not Disturb mode is open, if you just select your gaming and streaming applications, then you should be able to bypass the Do Not Disturb, and these apps right here will send notification even when you're on Do Not Disturb mode. Once that is done, you can also set up the gaming priority mode in Game Booster. So go over to Gaming Hub, and from here you can tap on the three dots at the top right, then go to Game Booster. Once you are here, you'll find the option for notifications down below. Tap on it, and from here you can access the priority mode while gaming. So go over to customization for individual game. Tap on any one of the games. You can adjust their resolutions here. After that, you can also set up your performance boosters and set up modes and routines to be able to bypass your Do Not Disturb mode. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.